everyone, welcome back to Azure Trading Systems channel, and we are live now. Today is 13th of January 2023. It's the last day of the week, and this is the performance from the system for this week. You can always check my previous live sessions. We have about 3 minutes to go for market to open. So I have everything set up over here, and for today I will be only trading for 1 hour, from 15:30 to 16:30, because after 16:30 I have other things to do. So this session, today's session, is going to be really short and quick. We are going to look for entries as soon as the market gives us the opportunity to enter. Uh, no random entries. We are going to follow the rules. We are going to stick to the rules like we have been sticking for the whole week. And this number has been achieved uh, quite easily, and I'm pretty much happy about it. Not so happy. I mean, it's just no emotions. I try to control myself and hold my emotions back, because that is the most important thing while I trade live. So the strategy is clear. I can show this strategy over here, so you guys can check it out. That is the strategy. I will put it in front of you guys so you can have a look, and uh, just probably screenshot it and learn the strategy if you want to. But you have to pay attention. The strategy only works with the Azure trading system, the system that I have created, that is Azure Sessions, Azure Point Calculator, Azure Price Structure, Azure Master Confirmation, and Azure Volume Gates version 2. So you need to have these indicators, the whole system, in order to use the strategy. As simple as it can get. So I'm just removing this. Also, I want to show you what trades I took during London session today, and that was only on Euro USD. I don't trade Euro, sorry, US30 during London session. So these are the two trades that I took on Euro USD. That was the first trade that I took on Euro USD for 10 pips, and the second trade I took for 20 pips. That was 1:2 risk to reward, and this was 1:1. I could have held this trade longer, and I would have got easily like 1:4 or something, 1:5 perhaps, somewhat like that. So, but I closed the trade at 1:2 hour. I will share the results in my Discord server. So if you guys are interested, you are most welcome to join my Discord server and learn more about the strategies. So now the market is going to open in another 25 seconds, and the bias is strong towards the bearish side, but the structure has shifted to the long side on the 1 minute time frame. But we want to see what's going to happen as soon as the market opens. So we have 10 seconds to go. I have set everything up. Just want to share the links with everyone. So 3 seconds to go. The market is open now. So let me share it on my Discord. So market is open. It's a strong candle, but it has to be valid candle with all of the confirmations. The price should close above the Azure trend pivots. The Azure master confirmation should be blue, and the Azure volume gates need to be open. That's the most important confirmation. So market is in a really big push right now. So 17 seconds to go. If it is going to be a valid candle, I will be entering the trade for 50 points. So 8 seconds to go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The candle is a valid candle, so I am in the trade for 50 points. So that is the breakout trade. So if it's going to be a candle with a wick, and this candle is not a valid candle, then I will be exiting this trade. because it really makes no sense to hold this trade further. If this candle is not a valid candle, then it makes really no points to hold the trade. So we are about 16 points. We have been about 20 points, 22 points in the trade. So 20 points, 22 points at max right now. So if you guys are uncomfortable, just put the stop loss at break even. It's always recommended. So we have 11 seconds to go. If this candle is a doji candle, then I will be exiting the trade with a minimal profit. So 4 seconds. So it is a valid candle. So I'm holding this trade. I'm holding it for 50 points, and first take profit has already been hit for 25 points, 39 points, 42 points right now. So perfect full take profit over here, about to hit full take profit. I closed the trade at 30 points. I will share the result on my Discord. So I'm gonna write +1% here for today. Uh, you guys can still see the trade is still running, but I got my 1% at 30 points. So that was it for me. I will change it to, let's wait for this candle. If this is not going to be, um, it's this, if this candle does not hit my take profit, then I will change it to 30 points. So perfect trade over here. Very nice trade, very smooth as it can get. So we are like 9% for the week, plus 9%. Amazing performance for this week, and this is the first official week for me for this year. And I will share the result on my Discord. So and the price is still in a heavy swing to the upside. So I have, all right, just want to share the screenshot from the profit of my trade. So here we go. It's just doing the same thing again and again. You don't have to rinse yourself. You have to just learn, trade, and repeat every single day. You have to do the same thing. That's how you can go and come to this point, right? Very important. So first trade was a winning trade. Perfect. If we get another trade today, that would be very nice. If not, that is also totally fine with me. And I really have no FOMO right now if the market is going to go another 100 points or 150 points or 200 points right now. I'm totally fine with 1% that I got, because I really have to leave my greed away. Because if I have this mentality of greed, then I'm going to enter really nonsense and random trades. And that is what I don't want to do. So, plus 9% for this week is very healthy. Tell me a system where you can make this kind of return. In how many trades did I take this week? I took about, yesterday we took 3 trades. On Monday we took trades. Tuesday was two. Wednesday was one, and yesterday we took three. So we have altogether 8 trades. That's how we got our 8%. And today the ninth trade, where we got another 9%. So nine trades, 9%. What else do you need? So I'll just let it away. Close this, close the stats bar, because it's really, I don't like it. So now we want the market to retrace, and on the third leg. So this was the first leg. Actually, it was not the first leg. First leg has already been formed here. So first, and this is its third leg. So now we are looking for the second leg, and on the continuation of the third leg, we are going to look for some buy entries. Only if we get confirmations, right? That is the most important. Consistency is what you need, and it will help you go further in your life. If you don't follow the consistency, you just really don't have to focus on being consistent. If you follow the set of rules that you have, for example, if you have a strategy and this strategy should, when you want to enter, your criteria must be fulfilled. That's how you be consistent. You are only looking for the places where your rules are met, all of the conditions are met. That is when you are entering the trade. You are not entering the trade really randomly, because I have done that a lot of times, and now it's time to change, to be focused on where you have to enter and look for the right time. That is the edge from the trading system, the edge of trading system that I've created. So if that's why you can perform, otherwise there is no way in this world you can perform. You have to be consistent with your rules, the set of rules. If you are following the set of rules that you have created, you are going to be profitable. If you don't follow and respect your strategy or your rules, then there is no way on this in this world that you can be profitable at all. Okay, so be careful about this, guys. If you are striving hard right now, then you really need to learn and focus more on your strategy than just hanging around in middle of nowhere, because that is when you have to take a decision. You have to make a decision to bring yourself further in life, and that's how you do it. You be consistent with the rules that you have created. Very important. So we might get an entry over here. We have still 43 seconds, 35 seconds left. If the candle is a valid candle and the edge volume gates are open, then that is where we want to enter the trade. So 20 seconds to go. The volume gates are still closed. 16 seconds to go. 12. 8 seconds to go. 5. Everything. There are no rules that are satisfied right now. So no entry over here. And I want to set up the. Okay, I want to do this. So set up an alert. If the gates are open, I should know that. So by 9, I should conclude. So right now we are adjusting a range. As you can see, there is no current structure yet. I mean, it is there. The structure is still long, but if this candle would go further down, then we have a range, and I have the condition set. If the price is running in a range, then we really do not have to trade. So we really want the volume gates to open, and that is when we are looking for further entries. So you see here, now we have entered, like, not anymore. I mean, it comes here that the range is set, and that's where you do not have to trade. Very important. So this candle should give us the opportunity to enter. So 30 seconds to go. Volume gates are still closed. I want the volume gates to open, and the candle should be a valid candle if you want to enter the trade. 20 seconds, 19, 15 seconds ago. So volume gates are open now, and 10 seconds to go. If the candle is valid in the last 3 seconds, I will enter the trade. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm in the trade. So So we are currently in a drawdown of 11 points. So this candle should give us the right decision if the price is going to go up or not. First of all, you really need to be comfortable, right? You should show the comfort. If you are not comfortable with the strategy or the system, then it makes no sense to use the system at all. You really need to be comfortable, and even if the price is in a drawdown and even if it hits your stop loss, then you should be comfortable with that, because there is no system in the world that is going to give you full 100% return. Really important, guys. So this is the last candle I'm going to hold. If it's going to hit my stop loss, I know it hit my stop loss. If this candle comes to break even, I'll probably go out of it, but I will need to wait for this candle to complete. Or if you guys are really uncomfortable holding this trade, then you should go out at break even. All right, so we have 20 seconds to go. Let's see what this candle has for us. So 13 seconds to go. 10, 9, 8. If it's going to be a bearish candle, then I'm exiting the trade, believe me, but it is not. So we have saved, like, if you're uncomfortable right now, just exit the trade, guys. So 12, 16 points in the trade, 19 points. So I actually closed at 15 points. So we still want to see if it hits the take profit or not, because I get this problem a lot of times. So perfect trade over here too. Win number 2, second win, plus 1% buy. Great trade over here though. It was really close for us from our stop loss, but it did not hit the stop loss. A few points. How many points was it? Like 25.7 points, and our stop loss was at 30 points. So great, great, great trade here. A lot of anxiety though, but nice trade. I'll just share my results on the Discord and update. So we are plus 10% over here for the week, plus 2% here. Great trade. Great week, guys. So let's just share the result. I should have not closed the trade. Now I feel a little bad, but it's okay. Happens a lot of times, right? There should be no greed over here. So nice, nice trade. And look how many points it has moved since NY opened. So 5,000, maybe 1,500. Yeah, easy 150 points on this trade. So 1:3 R just on the first candle. So if you know how the system works, if you are comfortable with it, then you are gonna be profitable. If you really not are comfortable with this, then there is no point of using any strategy or anything. You have to trust your instinct, trust your system, trust your strategy, and trust in yourself before you actually jump in this field. So now what we are looking for second leg, and the third leg we are looking for new entries. So if you guys were in a challenge for FTMO, you have already passed your first phase. If you are following the stream, that is plus 10%. I have been live the whole time for the whole week, and you know how the system works, you know the strategy, how it works, and you have already made 10% for this week. So if you were following this stream up, then you should really subscribe to the channel, or give it a like, or at least share it with the people you think would be interested in this, because that does not matter to you, one subscriber, but it matters for me a lot, because I want to broadcast it to the people who are like-minded. I really want to find those people who want to work together with me, or next to me, or whatever. So 5 days, 10% on an average, plus 2% for a day. It's pretty nice. Yeah. So right now the price is close to the VWAP, and I'm not looking for any increase right now, because we can easily get a rejection from the Azure web app. And there is also a level from Asian session, that is this blue line, and I don't want to trade around this level because it can easily show us a rejection. So the volume gates are open now. No entry over here. So yeah. So we are about half an hour, 25 minutes in the session, and we have took two trades. Both of the trades were winning for plus 1%. On the first trade, we got plus 50 points, and on the second trade, we got plus 30 points. So both of the trades were 1 is to 1 R. Currently, we are at plus 10% for the week, and for today, we are plus 2%. If you guys want to check it out, you are most welcome to subscribe to my channel and watch previous videos, or also like my shorts on YouTube. Would be very nice from you. So market is in a range now, providing no opportunities. So we are getting a nice movement. This is a new formation of 30 minutes candle, and market is showing really nice volatility now. Um, However, the Azure Master confirmation shows no confirmation that the price is gonna go further up. Also, the Azure volume gates are still closed, so I'm not looking for any entries over here. No, nothing. If the next candles would give me opportunity, then I would be looking for further entries, but not on such candles. So now we get this confirmation that the Azure Master confirmation is showing us a bullish bias, and the volume gates are also open. So we just want to have a valid bullish candle now. So 30 seconds to go. Looks like we are not gonna get an entry. 20 seconds to go. 10 seconds to go. 3 seconds. So no entry over here. So 20 seconds to go on this candle. 12 seconds to go. We might get an entry over here. Only the edge of volume gates need to be open over here on this candle. So 5 seconds. 4, 3. No entry here. Half a minute for this candle to close. Looks like no entry here as well. The first 5-minute candle of this hour is closing, which is not a strong candle. So let's just wait patiently. So 30 seconds on this candle. We still don't have any confirmation on edge of master confirmation, and the edge of volume gates are still closed. So not looking as a strong candle and a strong set of confirmations over here. So we really need to be attentive. 8 seconds to go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No entries here as well. This candle should give us an appropriate entry with all of the confirmations. And that is where we are looking. And yeah, so we are approaching right now towards the high of today's London session. So we might see a break of that session, and market can reverse from that level. So this candle should be a strong candle for us to enter. Otherwise, we cannot enter at all. So 20 seconds to go. As the volume gates are still closed, the candle is not a valid candle yet. 15 seconds to go. Candle should be valid. 9. So no confirmation here. No entry. Nothing. Volume gates are open, but no confirmation from major master confirmation to be into this trade. Fast. 15 seconds to go. I really want to see if we can get an entry over here. So 6 seconds, 2, 1. No entry over here as well. Um, and I still have like 19 minutes to go. And after 19 minutes, I will be concluding this session. Uh, and today is the last session for this week. Yeah. And the market has already moved quite nicely since it opened. We have got about 230 points. That is 1 is to 4, 4.5 hour. If we held this trade, that is already a big, very big move. Thirty seconds to go. So we need two confirmations for sure. We already got a confirmation from Agent Master confirmation that the price is bullish. We just need it to be a valid candle, first confirmation, and the second confirmation that the volume gate should be open. Looks like we might not get it right now on this candle, but maybe on the next candle. So I think this candle will give us an entry because it is the last candle or the next candle after that, because this is the last candle for 5 minutes candle to be to close 5 minutes candle, and right after that we might see a good volatility. Twenty seconds to go. 15 seconds to close the candle. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nothing. I think we are not gonna get any entry anymore for today's session. So two two entries were good enough. And I'm marking this last 5 minutes. Let's say last 5 minutes. Yeah, that is where I'm not trading anymore in this window. So I'll be concluding this session over here. Yeah. So another 9 minutes we are gonna wait. If we get an entry, perfect. If we don't get an entry, it's also totally fine. We have got already 10% for this week, which is pretty nice. Last 6 minutes, last 5 minutes for me to look for further trades. If there are no trades, I'm concluding the session. 4 minutes to go. 3 minutes to go. So the last 2 minutes of this 5 minutes candle would be crucial for us to provide an entry. Otherwise, it's gonna stay like this for another hour or something. So I'm concluding this session in another 2 minutes. So volume gates are open and we should get an entry. In this candle, we should get an entry. How many points is it from here? Okay, that is going to be very tricky. So if I get an entry, I might close it with 50% profit and not hold it till 30 points. So that is going to be very tricky. If I get all of the confirmations over here, then I really need to be very fast, quick. I need to be really quick in this trade if it occurs over here. All of the conditions are met. I enter the trade, then I have to be really quick. So 10 seconds to go. There is still no confirmation from major master confirmation. So 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nothing here. Last candle. This is the only candle we have our hopes on. So great push now. Volume gates are still closed. 30 seconds to go. 29, 27, 25. 20 seconds to go. 15 seconds to go. 10 seconds to go. Volume gate is open. The candle is not a valid candle yet. Okay, so no entry here as well. I am now officially concluding this week. This is today is the last live stream of this week, and we are plus 10% for the week. And today we took two trades for plus 1%, and which concludes to plus 2% for this today's session. So I really want to tell you guys to not overtrade and hold on to your profits. We are going to see us back on Monday, same time, same place. And in case you want to learn more about the strategy, you are most welcome to check my previous live sessions, and you are also welcome to check my Discord channel as well. Have a nice time and have a nice weekend, guys. We see us back again on Monday.